by American forces. Hello, gas mileage. I think it looks sick. It's fast. Super fast. Like 35s. I'm like 1,000 horsepower 6.0.
Why the fuck you lying?
Let's go walk some Mustang.
Oh yeah, let's go do that. Why don't we?
Nasty. Goodbye, kids. I'll miss you. We gotta go drop these off. That's sick. Coming swapped. Woo! The RVPs that we had on for the past, I don't know, a week, rode kind of like boggers. So now having stock wheels on and pretty much stock size tires, it rides uncomfortably smooth. I like it. Hello. Ew, who drives that? Who thinks a lifted dually is a good idea? Definitely not me. They all went to the Badlands over the weekend and it looks like they had a good time. That's the Jeep that we took in the swamp the other day. Oh, hey, over here. All towed by like the craziest dually in the game. Besides mine, everybody always comments on this. Maybe I'll have to buy one and build one like this one day, but they're like so rare. And it's a ZF5 or a ZF6. It's a manual, which is also really rare. And a green trailer. Me and Kaylee have been talking. We definitely need to get a trailer and color match it to our trucks. One day soon, hopefully. Hello, new axles. Scrap pile. Man, roll some coal. Spaceship. As you can see, the spaceship. Wait, hold on, turn on the lights. The spaceship is a work in progress. It is for sale as it hovers for 130 grand or best offer. I will not be lowballed. 99, I'm not taking it. It does run and drive. Well, okay, it does run. Runs and flies. It comes with a brand new flux capacitor, which then you don't need the 6.7 power stroke because it makes the truck fly, and then you have a spaceship. Huh, those look like a lot like my wheels. Oh wait, they are my wheels. These are also for sale. 19,000 or best offer. Thanks. I think you can still drive it. Like, we believe hard enough. LP fabrication. You could like park this underneath my truck, low-key. Actually, yeah, pretty darn close. The way it's gonna be sitting, you should be able to drive clear underneath this. That's gonna be sick. Why would you do that? Why would you? I love that sign. I wonder whose clean coilovers these are. They're definitely not going on that truck out there. They're definitely not going on that truck. Goodbye, you sexy beast. I can't see. It's a tornado or a hurricane. Probably both. That's pretty cool. I like that white one with the white wheels. The black one with the white wheels.
Yeah.
I like that one too. I like that one too. Wow. That's sick.
Yeah, it's pretty dope.
That's probably my favorite gas truck in like the world.
I love this thing.
Is it supercharged?
Yep.
That's
yeah,
sick.
so it's a 6-liter 2500 on a 6.5-inch BDS lift kit, 2414 Lincolns and 37 13.5 fuel mud gripper MTs.
Nice.
So, K350, excuse me, our SEMA truck. So
Red bottoms, red suspension.
Red button.
This is also one of my like favorite trucks. It's big.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It doesn't look this big in photos, and then you get up close.
Yeah, that's pretty big.
It's big. Just a few bumpers on it, some anthem mirrors, spare tires.
These are going on that. Turn around.
Content.
That's me.
That is.
On my pocket or anywhere.
When did Banker get the door ding on his truck?
On the passenger side?
Yeah.
It's on the door ding. She's already getting video footage.
You guys didn't already realize I'm here because I'm buying this Lambo. I'm not. I wish so. One day, one of these days I'll have one.
I like the color.
It has vents, so you know it's fast. There's so many stuff here. Got white trucks, got big Ford, got a vented door across the street, got
No, a GTR.
it got a GTR across the street too. There's both. We'll go see it later. Magazines?
SEMO magazine.
Oh yeah, got you.
Which one do we have on there? The 3 or the 2?
We have just a 3-inch spacer right now. No 5-inch spacers today. From stock. Too hot. There we go. That's gonna be so sick.
Yellow whipped it.
Goodbye, Custom Offsets. Thanks for having me. See you next time. We'll be back. Here's Kaylee's new wheels. Oh my. Take 2. Here's Kaylee's new wheels, brought to you by Custom Offsets. They're 24 by 14 tough wheels, wrapped in 37, 13.5 Venom tires. These are like the smoothest tires I've ever driven on. You couldn't tell the difference between the stock wheels and tires and these tires. That's how quiet they are. So I highly recommend those. Shout out to Custom Offsets for hooking us up. And have a good night.